Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Sending a file using a POST request from a Python script is a common task, especially when working with APIs or web services that expect file uploads. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to send a file using the requests library in Python, which is commonly used for making HTTP requests. We'll also provide a code example to illustrate the process. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system and the requests library. You can install the requests library using pip. Step 1. Import the necessary libraries. In your Python script, start by importing the requests library, which will allow you to send HTTP requests. Additionally, you may need other libraries depending on your specific use case. Step 2. Prepare the file. Before sending the file, you need to prepare it for transmission. You can do this by opening and reading the file in binary mode. For this example, we'll assume you have a file named example.txt that you want to send. The file's dictionary is used to specify the file to be sent. The key file is the name that will be used to reference the file in the POST request. The second element of the tuple is a tuple itself, containing the file name and the file object. Step 3. Prepare the POST request. Next, you need to prepare the POST request. You'll need to specify the target URL where you want to send the file and any additional data or headers required by the API or web service. Here's an example of how to create a basic POST request. Replace https://example.com/upload with the actual URL you want to send the file to. You can also include any additional data required by the API in the data dictionary. Step 4. Handle the response. After sending the POST request, you should check the response to ensure the file was uploaded successfully. In the example above, we check if the response status code is 200, which typically indicates success. You can customize the error handling based on your specific requirements. That's it. You've successfully sent a file using a POST request from a Python script. You can adapt this code example to your own use cases and integrate it into your projects as needed. ChatGPT.